Carrying tons of makeup, brushes, lipsticks and so much more, especially while traveling, can really become tedious. So what I need is something truly handy, compact and multi-purpose. So today I have with me the Secret Blush It Up Deep Mocha Lip and Cheek Tint, which is a great replacement for makeup. With a perfect blend of browns and red, this color will suit all skin tones. It can give you the best party look ever, and plus due to its pigmented formula, it is long lasting and lightweight. This tint is formulated with 100% natural ingredients, cruelty free, paraben free, SLS free and is dermatologically tested. It has shea butter that has anti-inflammatory property and is easily absorbed into the skin, making the color last longer than almond oil has healing and moisturizing properties that prevent cracked and pre-leaking. Cocoa butter has natural antioxidants that can soft, smooth and intensely hydrate. Natural wax adds protective layers to skin and keep it nourished all day long. I'm now going to take a small quantity and apply it gently on my cheeks and lips. In circular motion. So this is some healthy flush of color. I'm also going to apply it on my eyelids just to add that dash or the pop of color. And here is how it's looking right now. Let me apply an eyeliner and show it to you how it looks. And here is how it looks with an eyeliner on. Now isn't it an amazing product? You can add more color for an intense look. What is even more amazing is the price tag. It is not heavy on pockets and that is an added bonus. And what more, it is wellness with ancient herbs all packed together in one product. So go ahead and you can grab your product by using the link that I have given in this video description. So I hope that you have liked this video. Do not hesitate to hit like, share and comment. And if you're new out over here, subscribe to my channel and hit the all notifications button. So until next, take care.